Welcome to Learner's Planet, my dear children. Children, this is the quiz session about adaptations, how animals survive. So children, we will solve some interesting questions and answers in different pattern. Now we will move on to the next activity, that is mark a tick or cross. So children, I'll read the sentence for you and you have to guess whether the statement is correct or incorrect. Alright, so we'll start with this activity now. The first one is, a bear eats only plants. So is this the correct one? Does bear eats only plants? In what it is categorized? Is it the herbivores or carnivores or omnivores? Yes children, a bear is such an animal that eats plants as well as animals. Alright, it is the omnivores, right? So this is the incorrect statement. A bear eats plants as well as animals, and that is why it is omnivores, right? Now the next one. Dodo is an endangered animal. Is this the correct one, children? Is dodo an endangered animal? Yes, children. Endangered animals are those that are in danger of becoming extinct. But dodo is such a bird, was such a bird who have already disappeared from the earth. It was a flightless, beautiful bird, and now it has become extinct. So it is the wrong sentence, the wrong statement. Dodo is now an extinct animal, not an endangered animal. Alright, now the next one. An insect's body is divided into 4 parts. Is this the correct one, children? We studied about the insect's body. Into how many parts it is divided, children? Try to recall, try to remember. Yes children, we studied about it. What will be the answer? Yes, the insect's body is divided into 3 parts. The head, thorax and abdomen. Yes, we studied about it, right? So this is the incorrect statement. It is not divided into 4 parts, rather it is divided into only 3 parts. Alright, now the next one is, penguins have a thick layer of fat called blubber. Yes children, we studied about it. Do penguins have a thick layer of fat? And do we call it as blubber or something else? And what is meant by blubber? Yes, it is a thick layer of fat which is present under the skin of those animals to keep their body warm, right? So penguins have a thick layer of fat called as blubber because they live in very cold regions, right? So this is the correct statement. Other than penguins, the animals like seals and walrus also have blubber because they are adapted to live in the freezing conditions. Now the next one. Crocodiles can trick their enemies by camouflaging. So do crocodiles have such adaptation of tricking their enemies by camouflaging? No, it is the incorrect statement. The next one, children. The reduced activity of some animals in winter is called hibernation. So is this the correct one, children? Yes, children, we just discussed about it in the previous activity. The reduced activity of some animals in winter season is termed as hibernation. So this is the correct one. Now the next one. animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. So is this the correct one, children? Are the animals that spend most of their time on trees called arboreal animals? Yes, this is the correct one. Now the last one, children. Most mammals breathe through gills. Is it the correct one? Do most mammals breathe through gills? Even the mammals that live on land breathe through gills? No, this is the wrong one. Most mammals breathe through lungs, not the gills, because water animals only possess gills, not the land animals. Alright, children? So I hope you are clear with this activity. Now we will move on to the next activity, that is match the following. So children, in one column you have been provided with the names of the animals, and in the other column they are provided with their features. So you have to match the correct pair of an animal with its correct feature. Alright, children? So let's start with this. So the first one given over here is lizards. So what will be the correct pair? Do lizards suckle their young ones? Do they have feathers? Do they have scaly skins? Or do they possess chitin? Or are they termed as mammal? What will be the answer, children? Yes, children, you can guess the correct answer. Just try to think. Yes, the correct pairing for lizards are the scaly skins, because lizards possess scaly skins. Very good. Now the next one is insects. So what will be the answer, children? Yes, children, we studied about it. The outer covering of the body is made up of chitin, right? So insects will match with the chitin. Alright, so the correct pairing for the insects is chitin. Now the next one, birds. Yes, children, what will be the correct match or the correct pairing? Do they suckle their young ones, or do they have feathers, or are they considered as mammal? Yes, children, yes. Birds have feathers, right? And their limbs are modified into wings so that they can fly. Next one is anteater. Remember, children, spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus are the examples of mammals, right? These are the exceptional cases of mammals that do not give birth to young ones, but they do lay eggs, right? And the last one is mammals. Mammals are the animals that suckle their young ones, right? So I hope you are clear with this activity, and I hope that you enjoyed all the activities of this quiz session and learned about the adaptations of the animals and their survival. So children, we will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep thinking. Thank you.